This next design is really simple, very effective, but you do need quite a few colours. So I've gone for a blue gel polish, well, gel paint, orange, this nice greeny yellow, nice sunshine yellow, and pink. So we're going to use all those to create a dotty design. The only tool you need for this is a dotting tool. So any dotting tool of your choice. I'm going for quite a small one, and then I've started off with this beautiful neutral base. So if you're doing a plain builder or a plain acrylic overlay on somebody, or even extensions, this will be a really effective, beautiful design you can do. So I'm just dotting on a few dots of each color to create this beautiful dotty design. Once you're happy with all your dots, you top coat and you're done. So I'm just going to let you watch me dot on. I do cure in between of each color of the dots just to make sure they don't get all blended in. And then if you do have enough confidence and enough practice, you can just dot them all on at once, obviously cleaning the dotting tool in between each color. And yeah, it's super speedy. All you need is a few colors and a dotting tool, and I'm fitting them all in between each other. I'm not going in any specific pattern. It is all very random, abstract. That's what I love. I don't like structured nail art. I mean, no, I love structured nail art, but I prefer in a salon setting to do abstract because you don't have to worry that every single nail has to be the same. I decided to change up the design a little bit at the end and add a few white dots. So I grabbed a white gel paint, and at the moment this design is reminding me a little bit of what Vanellope would wear from Wreck-It Ralph. Just really cute, sweetie nails. And once I've popped those white dots in between, and you can overlay some of them if you want to over the colors, then I would top coat and enjoy the cute, sweetie-like nail art.